Nag-upload ko sa page. Uy.
Guys, si mama inaaway ako. Nagla-live na eh. Kung sakali lang, mamis. Pwede bang pakis? Sasamahan kita.
Ito tinapay, oh.
Bene. Road to 100k ka na pala, Ate Bella.
Magkalat ha.
Little baby. Hi kay Warren De Luna. Hi kay Ariel Bautista Maramag, tsaka kay Carlo Bayrante. Kain tayo guys ng sopas. Shoutout kay Tristan Montilla. Sa tapo maganda po kayo, kamusta na din. Hi kay Alan Novela. Oh wow. Guys, pinagtipan nila yung buhok ko. Ba't dito sa camera mo pang ganda? Shout out Pintas. Tsaka kay Ray Agaro. Shout out kay Christopher Kalihat. Kakain ako guys.
Hindi siya mata.
Si Bernie.
Tinapay niya, oh, dahil.
Shoutout kay James Bayona. May season 3 na yung Ginny and Georgia. Nado nyo guys.
Kaso gagawa na ako ng board na.
Hi kay Arvin Velasco. Tsaka kay Kupi. Sino?
Welcome back.
Storyteller.
Bibili ko yung mga pinaka-hawak. Dami.
Shout out kay Chris Ian M. Limboy. Umuulan din ba dyan sa inyo? Yes po. Hi ate, you know po ba mag-volleyball? Oo po, wala kaming training ngayon actually. Hi Bella, maulan na hapon, sarap matulog nito. True lang. Nanood ako guys. Ay, alam ko na bakit. Yung sa tugtog nung niya. Yung nilalaro niya.
Pagka maglalaro ka, tinanggal ko yun ano nangyari ngayon? 2 minutes.
Baka bago mo Shout out kay Yohanan Pesanon Batamalike tsaka kay Momo Olivares. Shout out kay Rentoy Saday Perez watching from Agusan. Sarap naman. Gandang hapon po kay Kuya John Vladimir Imperial. Shout out kay Sian Amboy. Mapahinga ko tinapay. Marami sa balita, siya ang nananabi, baliw. What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? Favorite niya yun. Favorite ni Lord. Ano yung English? Ay! Tabal tubig. Parents watching from Agusan. Hi po kay Edwin Gieluna. Shout out kay Kuya Momo Olivares.
Kapatong itong
Tumutungga kami.
Low mo.
Iyan sila.
Ano, ate, ano po ang part niyo sa volleyball? Part or ano, position? 4 ako. Libero ako dati, no? Good afternoon kay Rodrigo Antonio po. Merienda time. Yes, the best. Shout out kay Beja, MJ. Ate Bella, hahaha, sabi ni JJ Cruz Saavedra. Hi, Kaylin Edit. Shout out sa'yo. Ang gagaling nila mag-edit, guys, sa GC namin, BBO. Tsaka yung sa isa, BNO ba yun? Ang gagaling nila mag-edit. Ate, anong lasa? Ng ano? Hi, Kaylin Edits. Thank you sa pag-edit sa akin and sa pag-suporta. Sino yan? Shoutout kay Jo Marie Grama.
Si Bella, ano naglalay ko pala?
Nakita na nila? Kakasin ko lang. Nakikita ko to sa langgam. Weh. Hi kay Jerry Lavares. Di naman namamansin. Ay! Tinatawag niya ba ako? Wala na, nag-bounce na naman. Shout out kay John Ray F. De Guzman. Pahingi po. Go, kuha. Kaya na ako, guys. Dalawang mangkok pa sa bahay. Iyaw. Ba't ka tumatawa? James Just. Shoutout kay Mark Laya Habal.
Oh, shit.
Shoutout kay Christian ng Etivac. Hi, Lynn Edits. Ganda t-shirt mo, Lods. Yes, R&R. Shoutout kay Ninyo Kalim. Pa-shoutout po taga Salcedo, Barangay 13. Hi kay Bagason Queenie na taga Salcedo, Barangay 13. Sino po kasama niyo tayo? Nag-iisa yata kayo. Diyo si Papa at si Mama at si Bernie, si Odin. Shoutout kay Bino Kalanganan.
A fever is picking back up from swim practice. What is wrong with you? You had no right to do that. To rob him of his dignity in the last minute? You deserve to be locked up. You're a murderer. And everyone's gonna know it.
Igalag. Shoutout kay Jeannie Gamayaw tsaka kay Kenzo Henki. Shoutout kay JR Mateo from Palawan. Ooh. Wow, 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 wow. Shoutout kay Jerry Imperial or Jepot. Shoutout sa iyo. Shoutout kay Joshua Sevilleja. Hi kay Odi Atienza po. Ano yan? Basi mo tayo.
Mga kay Jeff at hanap siya ng RA.
Jepot, hanap ka daw ni RA. Shout out kay JR Mateo from Palawan. Kaya kay Aldrin Manzo.
You kind of weird talking about me.
Are you sure?
20% ka na lang. Diyan na po ate, may laro po kami basketball. Ingat na lang po kayo dyan. Bye-bye. Road to 2K na po ako sa TikTok. Advance congratulations, Lins Edits.
and be so good at that.
Shoutout kay JP Klima Linin. Talagang masarap kumain.
Want to try to run?
I cannot do that.
Sure you can. It's not that hard.
It looks hard.
Okay, yeah, that's the one. All your hands like it again. I'm definitely serious.
Hati Bella po, shoutout. Throw po yung Bella. Shoutout sa Bella Believers Official. Thank you so much sa pag-edit and sa pag-support nyo. Stay solid po.
Abigail, are you having fun?
No. No fun.
No fun?
I was sitting in the kitchen. Cynthia just was busy, and I heard choking. I go into Tom's room, like except for all of his insurance. Somehow, he managed to pull himself over.
Shoutout po ulit sa Bella Believers. Thank you sa pag-edit and sa pag-support sa akin palagi.
Everything he's been in, he just does all.
Hi kay JB Lones. Thank you po sa pag-send ng stars. New editor mo na ako. Hi kay ano to? Ano pangalan nun? CHEM?
That's what I just did.
Shoutout kay Dong Abay from San Miguel, Bohol, watching from PGL gas station. Ingat po. Libre gas daw po, sabi ni Papa. Nandeded. Hi kay Cristel, shoutout sa'yo. Tsaka kay Jeline May Lapay Pialan. Shoutout kay Norman Desiembre. Chen ba yun? Chen. Shoutout kay Mamo Olivares from La Guerta. Shoutout kay Cristel. Shoutout kay Prince Rafael Ortega. Tsaka kay Jeline May Lapay Pialan.
It happened the way I said.
Bigat ng etlogs ako. Oh my G! 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 Ang laki ng daga! Baba, tumakbo. Ha?
You're not supposed to talk to them.
Tatakpan yung sopas. Shoutout kay Shadowless Inyam. Pa-shoutout kay Aldrin po, Ate Bella. Shoutout kay Aldrin. Maulit ako ng egg. Single po. Ano yun?
Oh, I have a car. Well, I need getting in. Mama. Did you get dazzling?
I'm really glad you're going. Hey, we got plenty of food if you want to stick around. Yeah.
Shoutout kay Koyama. Squashy.
I'm not gonna get all upset.
You know that much stuff.
You don't have any fun. What the ladies think you see?
You're the mother of my dog. You know that? Any lady can have one.
Bill can understand that. There you go, Joe.
Yeah, now that you guys broke up, I can finally say I never liked this.
Ano?
Shout out kay Cedric Miguel Jarabata. Shout out kay CHEN. Hindi ko alam paano yan yung pangalan niya. Chen. Shout out kay Chen. Oh my G. Paubos na yung kanyang battery.
Am I ready?
Ayaw naman makuha nung ano. Shout out kay Jericho Amata from Lagunoy. Shout out kay ang Angelito tawag. Shout out kay Jasmine. Hi sa'yo, Jasmine. Editor ko din po siya. Hi kay ano to? Kuya Regi Cruz Penge Sopas. Thank you po sa pag-send ng 10 stars. Shout out kay Jasmine tsaka kay Chen. Nakalimutan ko paano yun ito. Nag-reply ka pa sa comment ko nang natawa ka ba? Bro. What? Who's this? What? Nag-reply ka ba? Shout out kay Jasmine. Hi kay Chen. Mga editor ko sila, guys.
Poem is the way you rhyme. Rhyme. Monopoly. Wallaby. Why are you taking this? It's nothing personal. I was into her poetry school. Okay, well look, I get paid either way, so. Oh no. Gia, you're up next. Gia. Does your poem have a name? Seems very important. Mine had a nice quiet view. Look, we'll help.
Poetry is supposed to be a play on words, but the words connect. Abstract. It's not about syntax and subtext. It's pain. It's art.
Shout out kay Leonard Tamayo. Tsaka kay Dante Montalvo Jr. Shout out kay Edken Cabalu.
You are gone, moved on. So you share. You're there. As the soul exposed to the cold. A prayer. Is anyone there? Listening to this? To me? Listen or don't? I don't think.
That the end?
Again.
Yeah. Why do you know?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, that's right. Right? Things don't always have happy endings. Here's an ending. Not real,
Palubat na si Papa, guys. Mag-end na ako, ma'am.
So, all you can do is to find out.
Hi kay John Ver Magwad. Oy! Magwad. Hi kay Edwin Turqueza.
When you have that time, you want it to end. You want things to make sense. And sometimes they don't. So listen, push this away.
Guys, lobot na si Papa. Bye-bye po. Thank you sa panonood. Live ulit ako susunod.